Hail, look at these creatures. They have all feathers, and I consider them to be all birds, because the saying goes, birds of the same feather are all birds. Huh? You got it, fox? There you have chicken, then little birds searching for food together. And it's a very rare company. Yeah, so I love watching this one. Remember, fox? Birds of the same feather are all birds. It's funny, but you can see on your screen how true is this saying. Chicken and little birds looking for food together, staying together. So birds of all